What we did, sir, we are just printing some data. The data is nothing but an text. So we are printing some text in headings format and we are printing some text in paragraphs format, something like that. And now first time we are going to working with how to display images. Web pages, how much text is important, sir. Images also the same importance. So can you imagine nowadays websites without images? No. 100% of the websites they are using at least one image. Minimum one image. The online shopping sites, if you open it, sir, cages of images available online. And Wikipedia, social media websites. Social media websites say that tons of images. Quotation images, or selfie images, or party celebration images, or wake up image, or brushing image. Facebook updating amma statuses. Hmm. Your birthday, a birthday celebration, a bunch of images. Hmm. So websites images that much of importance nowadays. Then how to display those images? Today we are going to working. Today end of the session, I'll provide the Google Classroom link, sir. So today I'll share the Google Classroom link at the end of the session. So this is the information about images. What is the tag and what is the syntax, etc., etc. The same document I'm going to uploading into your Google Classroom link also. The same document. So IMG is one of the predefined tag of the HTML. Like as P, anchor tags are heading tags, label tags are bold tag or strong tag. Similarly, IMG is the name of the tag. IMG full form image. IMG full form is image. What is the use of this tag, sir? This tag used to display images on our web page. Which kind of images we can place it, sir? Any type of images we can place it, sir. Last line we have the clarity also see that. JFIF images, SVG images, JPG, PMP, GIF, TIFF, PNG, WebP, etc., etc. Almost we have 10 types of images in our computers. Computers are supports nearly 10 types of images. And our IMG tag is supported all these varieties. No portability problems, no sort dependency problems. 100% it's supporting all varieties. Then how many images we can display by using IMG tags, sir? One IMG tag helps to display only one image. One IMG tag it's helping to display only one image. But I want to display 100 images, sir. There is no problem, sir. 100 times you have to repeat the tag. How many images you want to display? That number of times you should repeat the tag. We have already some experience, 5 to 6 examples, sir. I want to print the multiple paragraphs. Can I use the single paragraph tag or multiple paragraph tags? Multiple. How many paragraphs you want to display it, sir? That number of P tags required. How many headings you want to display it, sir? That number of heading tags required. Similarly, how many images you want to display? That number of IMG tags are required. If Flipkart, Amazon, they're using IMG tag again and again and again, sir. Not only Flipkart, Amazon, the entire web world, they must use the tag repeatedly. Compulsory. How can say that, sir? If you observe the source code of the website, you will get the clarity. Really, IMG tag used repeatedly or not? You want to get an idea, sir? Just check the source code of the any website. Next, this point we'll discuss later. Hold on that one. And what is the nature of this tag, sir? It is an unpaired tag. IMG is the unpaired tag and it is a inline element. So opening tag available, sir. Separate closing tag is not comes. When you are displaying the multiple images, sir, they come side by side or they comes line by line. As per this nature, the images are comes line by line or side by side. Side by side because of inline tag. If it is block level tag, then it will comes the line by line. So 10 images if you are displaying, sir, how you are sitting side by side, your images also comes in the same manner only. And this is the syntax of the image, img tag, and we need compulsory some attributes. Coming all explanations of HTML, attributes are mandatory. Then only we discussed yesterday what is attribute and how to write the attributes. Every topic attribute compulsory, sir. No, sir, I can design without attributes also, sir. It becomes as eighth wonder world, Guinness Book of Records. Future tags, if anything, if you design without attributes, that becomes as eighth wonder world, Guinness Book of Records also. Matter is that one. Indirectly, you are unable to design properly. So this is the tag name and some attributes are comes. What are the attributes are comes there? That I'll directly explain in the program. Mostly 5 attributes are comes there. That 5 attributes I'll explain in the program. Now focus on the third step, sir. It is strongly recommended to place all the images inside the root folder or create a subfolder with the name of the images in the root folder. What is the meaning of this sentence, sir? But my total web page is displaying 30 images, sir, suppose. My web page, they need the 30 images. But all these 30 images, where we have to maintain, sir? Actually, we can maintain anywhere in the system. No problem. But it's always recommended to place all these 30 images inside your project folder, not outside the project folder. Outside the project folder is very, very bad way of the coding style. Bad way of practicing also. So this is your project folder. Here HTML files are available and images we have to place here. It always is suggestion, sir, and recommendation process in our real-time applications. I'll show the small thing here. See that. So this is our project folder. Suppose folder come directory. Names are generally your project name is available. As per my current explanations, HTML 2 PM. As per my current explanations, it's a HTML 2 PM. That is my folder name. But daily I'm saving some programs here only. This is example 1, example 2, example 3, example 4, example 5, example 6 completed. Now where I have to maintain the images, sir? Images also you can maintain in this folder. This is image 1, this is image 2, image 3, image 4. So your HTML files, images, both should be present under the same roof. That is always encourageable. Next is second guidelines, sir. 3-4 images or couple of images, follow this structure. If you are using couple of images, follow this structure. No, sir, my project required the hundreds of images, sir. But HTML programs, images, if you maintain like this, sir, clumsy it will comes. Maintenance problems also comes. That scenario, what to do, sir? Create a subdirectory. It's a subdirectory. Name of this one, actually your choice, sir. But I am suggesting always to use the images. Name of this directory is images. And now place all your images inside that box. This is real-time architecture. The original websites we are developing like this. This is our main folder come project folder, sir. This one. It contains all HTML files here. These are the all HTML files. So many files. Because website is a collection of web pages. Every page is a one program. So many HTML files. And all these HTML files, they need the hundreds of images, sir. I would now write a separate folder for that one. It's a good architecture and good way of the practicing. No, these directories I'm not used anything, sir. Still program is working, sir, but worst way of the practicing. The word what I used, observe that worst way of the practicing. So you want to go for worst way, na good way, na decide yourself. See that what I'm saying. These images you can place in downloads folder. HTML program save in D drive. Still program is working because image inside we are writing the address. Recently logos we worked, remember? Logo before a clear address we mentioned. Still program is working, no problem. But what is the problem, sir? In future, if I move this project from my system to any other system, sir, what happens? Project only moving. Images are not comes. You have to separately focus on images. By chance, if you forget, human beings, one of the quality forgetting. Correct? 1 week back, my explanations, remember all of you? Every point, remember? Raise the hand. You see that one. So that is the nature of the human being. The common things are, I am forgetting, you are also forgetting. Natural thing. If you are not forgetting, sir, some issues disturbing our brain and heart also. Boys especially. So forgetting is the very, very good habit to boys. No experience. So this is working, sir, program. This is also working. Which one you want to follow, your interest. My guidelines, suggestions are the over, sir. I'm always preferring this architecture. For future, we are developing CSS files, sir. Coming to that only. For CSS files, a separate folder we are creating. For JavaScript files, a separate folder we are creating. And every type of files maintain or use always separate directory. That is becomes a better organization of the files. So this is the meaning of third point. It is strongly recommended to place all the images inside your root folder. Otherwise, create a subdirectory with the name of images, maintain inside that one. This is the information about the images. First of all, what to do, sir? Create the subdirectory. Explained, but I'm not created any directories in our system. So open my computer. Go to our folder, sir. Our directory available in E drive. This is our folder. And these all are our previous examples. Now create one directory here. Name of this one is images. An empty directory created, that's all. Next, what to do, sir? Copy the images. How to copy, you know very well. From your mobiles or from Google Mataji is there. So ask the Mataji showing the images and copy it. Otherwise, your photos available in your camera, your mobiles, copy that all the photos to this folder. Nothing else. Now I'm copying the images from the Google only, sir. Is there any copyrights issues problem or something else, sir? Yeah, we are just writing testing examples, sir. No copyrights problem. Try to download some of the images. There is no problem about the size. There is no problem about the type of the image. Every type of image, any size of image is ready to display by the HTML pages. So we'll go for some sceneries. Right click, save. We already discussed these points 2 days back. So right click on the image and go to the save option. I'm directly saving into my folder images. By chance, if I download it to directly download folder, what to do, sir? It is some of the systems, everything by default, it goes to downloads folder. Nothing happens, sir. First download all the images. Then open the downloads folder. Select all the images, copy and paste it. Simple thing. What are the images are downloaded to downloads folder? Copy that all images, paste inside your folder. So instead of this risky process, I'm going to directly downloading in my folder only. Nature.jpg image name. I'm downloading some different types of files also. Next one, GIF files means animated files. Madams, watch the image carefully. And I just said, see the image and that's all. You don't misunderstand, huh? Okay, this is a very good here. So this picture I'm going to downloading. Congrats. Actually, if you observe that animation carefully, it's very suitable to you only. Very suitable to you. How, sir? I'm explaining the points, right? One by one point. Who are understanding the points, one type of face reaction is comes. Who are not understanding the point, one type of reaction is comes. Who are in the dilemma stage, one type of reaction is comes. A variety reactions from your faces. All variety models are available. See, the second person smiling, and he is understanding. The first person dilemma anmata. A balanced person, no, not understanding. These all are smiling కాబట్టి understanding, sir. First person superly understanding అనమాట. అందుకని claps also working. So అబ్బా అసలు మా ఫస్ట్ స్టూడెంట్ jumping also. So I'm going to downloading this one. This is animation. One JPG, one GIF, two I downloaded. Next one, I'm trying to download some PNG images. And I'm just trying to cover the different models. You also getting an idea. Roses, white color rose ga? Okay, I'll give it. No problem. White color, yellow color, I'll give it. No problem. Okay, na? Red for me. Okay, this picture I'm going to downloading. Rose.png. అవలేదా? So, okay, some different types of images I downloaded. First, we'll develop the example on this one. You can check it, sir, once all images downloaded are not kept properly. This is 2 p.m. folder, and this is the images folder, and these are the 4 pictures. Actually, I need some more images. First, we'll work with these. Now, back to program. So, example on IMG tag. Example 7. And a small message here, just a comment style of demo on displaying images. So what we are doing in the program, just easy identification. I'm writing this comment and start the tags. If these all the code routine coding, sir, I'm just copy pasting. Who are writing the running notes for those candidates? Common steps say, just focus inside the body. IMG and tag close. I'm not using any attributes. See that one, just a tag opened and closed. If I run this program, what happens, sir? Blank screen, it will comes. Just a blank screen. But I use a tag, sir. Yes, sir, we use a tag. That is not a problem. But browser not understanding your tag feeling. Then only I said attributes compulsory. Tag plus attribute. What happens here, sir? Browser getting an idea. Oh, developer, they want to display the image. That awareness browser identifying that information. After that, browser starts the thinking. What is the name of image? What is the location of image? What is the width and height of the image? That information not available. So without displaying anything, silently it is sitting here. So that information we have to provide by using SRC. SRC full form source. One of the attributes, sir, you can identify that one easily. Tag right side I am typing. Obviously, it's an attribute. What is the meaning or purpose of the SRC, sir? Specifying the location of image. SRC means source. Source means where image is available. That location is called as the source. Then write like this. E:/ HTML 2pm / images / write one of the image names, sir. Download this one. Rose.png. This is the complete information. I want to display the rose.png. It's available in a folder. Images. Images is the subfolder of HTML 2pm, and that one created in E drive. The complete address. If any one letter missing, sir, image jump. So now check it. Refresh. This is our image. So much of big size, sir. Why this much of size displaying, sir? We are not given any measurements, sir. While downloading of the image, they comes with one default size. The actual size of the image. That one displayed here. But it's a too much size, sir. So we'll change any other picture. Nature.jpg. This is something better. That is our heading, and this is the actual look of the picture. Previously, we are in the magnifier mode, and this is the original look of the picture. So our nature picture displaying, and this is the data. Data plus picture. Next, the second image I am going to displaying. Second image I am repeating or displaying. Same, I'm just copy pasting. Images / what is it? GIF. This is animation picture, GIF. But in second image, I'm going to showing one shortcut, sir. Instead of writing this complete address, is there any simplification format, sir? Half of the address we can delete it, sir. We can write like this. E:, HTML 2 PM, the two locations we can delete it. We can just start the address from the images folder. How it is possible, sir? A very simple thing. I'll explain the reason. See that. This is your folder HTML 2 PM. 2 PM folder. Here our program is available. Example 7. And here images directly available. This is the directory name, images. Now what is the location of your program and images directory? Both are same or not? So common address. The half of address is common, half of address is different. So remove the common address, write the difference address only. Browser existing, sir, no problem. Example 7 program where I saved, in the same place images folder also available. So this location both are same. Then we can utilize the shortcut. So remove the half address. And this is the output. Why, sir, one picture big size, one picture small size, sir? That's our downloading problem, sir. At the time of downloaded, I selected the different sizes. So your images also comes like this only. Now we can control the size. Next explanation, I'm explaining that one. Actual size differently available. But I want to control my own size, sir. 100% possible. I'll explain it. Here I'm taking line break, sir. Reason, observe the images side by side it is getting because of inline nature. Okay, sir, first row 2 images enough, sir. In the third image I need in the fresh line. So I'm applying the BR tag. Line break. Then start the third image. IMG src equals to images / rows dot png. We already observed this one. It's a very big picture. And how to customize this size, sir? For that, attributes are available. Original image size, whatever it may be, but I want to display the image as per my required size. Original image, this big size available. Original image, small size available. I don't want. My page demanding the so and so size. Is it possible, sir? We have supporting attributes, sir. One is the width, second one is the height. General measurements, normal English meaning you know the width and height. So width of the anything and height of the anything. So width attribute purpose is to control the width of HTML tag. To control the width of HTML tag. Paragraphs are, headings are, images are, whatever it may be. Any tag width we can control. And height attribute used to control the height of any HTML tag. The paragraph's height compared to image height, which is more understandable, sir? Image height understandable. Reason, pictures you have an idea. We have your photos also. Every photo one size available, 700 by 800, 600 by 400. Paragraphs sizes and very rare cases we are using that sounding. Images sizes, it's a routine pronunciations. Then only I'm explaining these with combination of images. We can easy to understand that one. Can I use the both properties for the paragraph, sir? Yes. Can I use the same properties for H1 tags, sir? 100%. No doubt that it's working. But easy to understand is images. So specify the width of image, what you are expecting, and specify the height of image, what you are expecting. I'm going to writing some 400 pixels, height 400 pixels, width 200 pixels I'm taking. PX stands for pixels. It is one type of measurement. PX is one type of measurements are pixels. Like a centimeters, meters, pixels is also one of the measurement used in the electronic devices. Your mobile screen also pixel size. Your laptop screens also pixel size. If you have any tab size is also pixels. TV is also pixels, sir. Our projector also display is pixels format only. So pixels is the mostly used measurement in our electronic devices. The computers or non-computers or whatever it may be. So I want to display the rows with a width of 200 pixels and with a height of 400 pixels. Now the actual rows customizing and displaying as a small size. So actual size to current size, we have a lot of difference. So the moral of the story, we can control the size of the image. Increasing possible or reducing possible? But by using the properties, we can increase the image or we can decrease the image or we can do both. Yes, both possible. We can expand, we can reduce. Actual size we can increase. Our actual size we can reduce. So total 3 attributes are used, sir, in this tag. One is the location of image. Second one, width of the image. Third one is the height of the image. Next, I'll do one small awareness, sir, explanation. E:/ something, images / something, it actually works in our local systems. It actually works in our local systems. But real-time projects, we are not writing addresses like this. Practicing examples, testing examples, learning examples, this address is okay. No problem. But real-time websites developmentation addresses we can't write like this. Then how to write in the real-time applications, sir? An awareness point I'm writing in comments. HTTP. How to write the address of the image, sir? HTTP:// www. Your website name. What is your website? A website name. .com or co.in or something / images / a.jpg. This is the actual writing style of the image locations in real-time projects, or original or live applications. In our systems, I think you can follow this. Real-time application developmentation, don't use the E drive, don't use your folder names. You should go for the websites pattern. The awareness points, sir, that's all I'm placing in the comments. Live applications, this one. Can you show the proof, sir? Why not, sir? I'm going to displaying one image. See that one? But all these images we downloaded, right? Then we are using. Now I'm not interested to download, sir. Without download, I want to display the image. Possible, sir? Yes, in every website inside images available. For every image, you have the address like this. For every image, we have the address like this. Copy one of the image address and use in your program. So downloads not necessary. We can directly are live accessing. When cricket live telecast, how it will comes, this is the live imaging. How to perform that operation, sir? So I'm going to taking one of the live picture. This is our current life. Very suitable this picture. So I'll take that one only. How to identify the location of this image, sir? right click and use the copy image address. I'll just magnify, I'll wait. Right click on this picture, go to the option copy image address. That image URL copied. And what is the actual size of the image? 2000 by 1333. That is original size. A few minutes back, I said every image they have the size. Not this is. Now back to program, sir. We copied some URL. Na? Paste that one here. You will get 1 kilometer length URL, not centimeter. Oh, kilometer is comes. Now that is only I explained few minutes back. HTTP www some daddyagency.com / WP content / upload / 2020 / 4 / Adobe stock _ 123456.jpg. Can you say the meaning of this one? This is our actual image name, right? Adobe stock _ 1123 something.jpg or original image name. Where it is available, this image? In 04 folder. 04 is the name of the directory, name of the folder. And this 04 is the subfolder of 2020 folder. 2020 folder is subfolder of uploads. Upload is the subfolder of web content. And this content available in the website daddyagency.com. That is, sir, what I explain also generally. The real one website image address. Now close this. See, this is our program. 3 downloaded images, 1 live image. 3 downloaded images and 1 is the live image. Live image in the sense not downloaded. That is meaning. But it comes very big size, sir. Control. We can apply the width and height. But it's not our image, sir. Others' image, sir. Others' image also you can control the size. That is not a problem. So I'm taking some 400 pixels width, height to 500 pixels. Width to 400 pixels, height to 500 pixels. Refresh the page and you will get like this. Okay, width to 500 pixels, height to 400 pixels. Your interest measurement. This is process. So total 4 images I displayed, sir, here. 3 our own images, what we downloaded, and 1 is the direct accessing from the other website. Sir, without these URLs, you can't print you can't display the images. If you want to display any image, address mandatory, must and should. Next, once again, line break. IMG SRC equals to comes to our images. Animal dot okay. So animal dot JPG. Initially, I'm displaying one more image. Then I'll apply some other settings. Okay. It's very in sad mood, I think. Break up maybe. Image very big size it is coming, sir. First to control that image, I'm taking the small picture. So 300 pixels by 300 pixels, square shape will get the image. Small picture, square shape. I'm introducing one more option. Already 3 options we completed. 4th option I'm introducing. What is the 4th option, sir? Title. The 4th attribute related to image is title. So what is the use of this title, sir? I'll show one practical thing. This is desktop, right? A left side is small pictures available. What is the name of those? Icons. Sure, huh? If you place the mouse pointer any of that icon, will get any special information or not? Sure, huh? Take the mouse pointer, place any of the icons, sir. Well, one small box is comes. Place again zoom, a small box, some file, shortcut. A box is observed, no special boxes. That box is called as title. The same box we are also going to displaying now. I have the small doubts that general question. Are you identified these type of boxes in our original websites anywhere? The Windows operating system, it's not HTML program. Understanding point of view, this I'm showing. But same type of boxes, similarly, are you observed or identified in any website? No, na. Oh. I think this is my reaction. You said no, Gada, this is my reaction. Really? Hey, so many websites we have here. Especially your online shopping websites. Flipkart, Amazon. There are products pictures available. Take the mouse pointer, place any of the product pictures, sir. A product, how much offer is running? Offer comes in the box. Really? You know, I don't know, sir. My Flipkart is showing, sir. My Flipkart to my Amazon showing. Really? Because you are saying not observed, sir, but so many times you use Flipkart, right? So many times you use Amazon, Meesho, Mantra, shopping, something. Almost all these websites we have that box. Comes down. There are some products available. Take the mouse pointer, place any of the product. Box comes. Shop now. Shop now. From 45,900. From 8,200. From 10,000. Comes down. Cycle. See that if you place any image, sir, a boxes comes. But you said we are not observed, sir. Huh? Forget, not forget. I think you are really not observed. Reason, Any reason. Mobile is the problem. Because in mobiles, these all options not available. Basic problem. So we are overusing the mobiles in our real life. Then only some points are jump. Because mostly you are using apps, sir. Apps, these all options not available. So then only you are not identified that one. Now go to the program, take the title, type something. What you typed here, that one displaying in that yellow color box. We have the box now. Place on the another image, sir. No box. Rows, no box. Because there we are not implemented any title. But here the animal picture, we implemented the title, of boxes comes. Now remove this rough text to write something meaningful data. So cute. That is the thing. So this is 4th option, sir. So what is the purpose of title, sir? If you want to provide any additional information about your image, you want to provide any extra information about your image, write that one in the title. The image name or price or something, location. If it is sceneries, sir, something one sceneries. Whenever the mouse pointer plays the user on that one, sir, or display the scenery name, the location name. Online shopping, the prices displaying obviously. So title attribute used to provide the additional information about images. We can type anything inside that, no problem. Next, one more option, sir, last option in image. So IMG, again SRC, images slash shiva.jpg and close the picture. In our folder, is there any shiva.jpg? We don't have any picture. But what is the reaction of browser? It's unable to display the image because wrong file, or with this name image is not available. In these scenarios, browser displaying one default picture, a small icon displaying. A small green color icon is going to display. And you watch it, this type of images so many times in our internet, sir. But observed a small icon. So what is this picture meaning, sir? Actual image is not loaded. The original image was not opened. So this is the browser's default icon. So try to recollect. Are you seeing this picture anywhere in our websites? Sure. Especially your Facebook news apps. Whenever your internet connection is getting slow, sir, image is not loading properly. At that time, these pictures are comes. Our second time, sir, second scenario, your Gmail inbox available, mails. In that mails, a lot of advertisement mails, promotional mails, something is comes. Flipkart, Amazon, SBI Bank, HDFC Bank, Policy Bazaar, Naukri.com, something. If you open that mail, sir, content displaying, but pictures not displaying, sir. These icons, it will comes. So from today onwards, if you are observed anywhere this picture, as a web developer, what we have to think? Oh, something image available here, it is missing. It is not opening. Reasons are maybe image name deleted, or network is very slow, or your limit is completed, your data quota is completed, or server too much busy. Server busy case also responses not comes properly. For any of these reasons, this picture is comes. But what is the problem here, sir? If you display this picture exactly like this, it is giving some wrong signs to some users. Wrong understanding to the some users. Why, sir? Maybe some of the users, they are thinking this is the actual image. Chance available, amma. All not like you geniuses ka. Chances is there, sir, 100%. A common man may be thinking this is the original image they are displaying. How they know, sir? Common man programming, no idea kada. They are thinking this is the original image. Then only, as a developer, we have to produce one message. Image not loaded, please try again. At that time, what happens, sir? 3 times you are scrolling like this a finger. What is meaning of finger moving? Refresh. So 3-4 times refreshing after, your image comes normally. But whatever that error message, sir, when our image loaded properly, error message automatically disappears. Image loaded successfully, sir. Message automatically disappears. Image failed to load, sir. This message comes. So I need one more image, sir. I'm downloading. For explaining of this option, one more image required. So water.jpg. Name changing here, water.jpg. So width of that one, sir, some 100 pixels, small picture I am displaying. Height of that one is 100 pixels. Now image perfectly displaying, sir, because everything is proper. Everything is proper. So comes down, image displaying here. Yeah. Displaying the picture. Now I'm giving the wrong file name. And actually, we are working in the local programs. If network speed reducing, then image fail to load. But I am unable to reduce the network speed, sir. Our network is very busy. Server was very busy, sir. Then also picture not loading. Then only field creation purpose, I'm just making a small mistake in the program. But icon is comebacks. That icon is comebacks. This is. Along with this icon, I need message also. So what is the attribute, sir? ALT. The fifth option, fifth attribute. ALT. Alternative text. ALT full form is alternative text. Alternative in the sense first chance, second chance. Alternate means is a second option or first option? Second option, sir. First option failure, we have to think about alternative. So alternative means in the second option. First option what, sir? Display the image. By chance it's failed, sir. Then activating the alternative text. I'm writing a small message here. Image not loaded. So try again. This is the small message. Image was not loaded. Try again. Now go and check it once. The message. A default icon plus with your message. Last line, observe that one. Now I'm correcting the program, sir. Mistake rectified. Go and refresh the page. Picture comes. Is there any message now? No. Reasons are first option success. So we don't need to go for the alternative. Image loaded successfully, the message not comes. Image unable to load, then the message is comes. So these are the 5 settings related to images, sir. IMG tag used for displaying of images with all these settings: source, width, height, title, and ALT. I have the small doubt here. Can I use all these 5 options at a time or not? Almost I used 4 options here, sir. Missing is one option. That option you can understand yourself. I explained, but combination not done. 5 attributes we can use on the same spot. There is no problem. This is the whole program. So conclusion and finishing of this points are IMG is one of the predefined HTML tag. It is used for displaying of the images. One IMG tag, they can display only one image. If you want to display the number of images, just repeat the IMG tag again and again and again and again. SRC option indicates the location of the image. Width options controlling the width of the image. Height option controlling the height of the image. Title option providing the additional details about the image. And ALT option displaying the alternative text of the image. By chance, if image not opens for any reason, and this alternative text is comes onto the screen. This is image related options belongs to HTML only. Now I'm moving to the next tag and next topic, sir. మీరు రెగ్యులర్ ట్యాగ్స్ ఉన్నాయి ఇప్పుడు ఇమేజ్. What is this? Top of the image. If you change the order, bottom only it will comes together. Simple. So here I displayed the some text top of the image, sir. But he is asking I need the bottom of the image, sir. Just shuffle the tag. Otherwise, go to any of the image tag, whatever it may be. And write something H1 tag or paragraph tag or something, whatever it may be. So take the paragraph, explain about that picture. Suppose if it is any historical places related images, sir, a place related explanation of paragraph is comes. Best example, your Wikipedia concepts. Now write something here. What are the details you want to explain about the image? Write here and close the paragraph. Now it displaying exactly the bottom of the rows. The placements adjustment required for that CSS concepts needed. Okay, picture bottom text. Picture beside also we can display the text. Next, moving to the next tag and next topic, sir. The tag name is A tag. Name of the tag A, single alphabet. Name of the tag P available. Name of the tag U also available. U stands for underline, P stands for paragraph. A stands for, sir, anchor. A full form is anchor. It's a very, very important tag of HTML, sir. How can say? Anybody you remember the full form of HTML? Hypertext Markup Language. Last two letters deleted. First two letters only pronounce. Okay. First letter only pronounce. That is our current topic also. Anchor tags are used for creating of the hypertext or hyperlinks. In our HTML subject name, first word we are working currently. Hyper. What is the meaning of hyper, sir? Navigating from one web page to another web page. So how to move from page 1 to page 2, page 2 to page 3. That is our current topic. So tag name is A. The full form of the tag, sir. A stands for anchor. A stands for anchor. So who is that anchor, sir? You know very well, Gada. Mana Rashmi, Ansuyakka, Sumakka, Kapil Sharma. Already issue running, sir. Well, if we are also used that one, sir. Madam feeling. So anchors. Those are the anchors, then this is also anchor. Concept same, sir. What is the responsibility of anchor? What is the duty of anchor, sir? An anchor is a representation of some situation. An anchor is a representation of some event. An anchor is a representation of some occasion. Presenters. Anchor is nothing but an presenter. Here, see, here also this is anchor tag. An anchor tag is a representation of next page. Another anchor tag is representation of one more page. Like that, every one anchor tag is representing the some different web pages. So that anchor, this anchor common. But the function is the program. That is the only difference. So A stands for anchor. A tag used for creating hyperlinks. Anchor tag used for creating hyperlinks. The purpose of the tag, sir. IMG tag used for displaying of image. Like that, anchor tag used for creating of hyperlinks. Generally, we'll get a doubt. Okay, sir, anchor tag creating hyperlinks, sir. What is the use of hyperlinks, sir? That I'm writing in the next line. Hyperlinks are used to move from one web page to another web page. To move from one web page to another web page. This is the purpose of the hyperlinks. Anchor tag used for creating of the hyperlink. Hyperlinks are used to move from one web page to another web page. Moving from one web page to another web page is also called as navigation. Page navigations. Web page navigation. Sir, of 5 boys, seller free, you can go and sit there. Huh? Your voice reaching to here. You can go to sit in the cellar, no problem. Don't do extras, eh? Your voice reaching to clearly me and surrounding students, how much they are getting disturbance. Huh? Yes or no, no? Who given the right to disturb the other students here? Not interested, just out. So this is the basic information about anchor tags, sir. By using one anchor tag, how many pages we can navigate it, sir? Only one page. One anchor tag, one web page. One image tag, one image. But I want to move the level by level, sir. Create more anchor tags. I'll show the small picture here. See that navigation meaning. Yeah. So this is our page 1. And this is our second page. Different pages, nothing but then different programs. We know already one thing, sir. Website is a collection of web pages. Every web page is created by the one program. Or every web page is designed by the one program. So these are the different programs as well as different pages. But first web page contains some data, sir. Text available, some images available, some buttons available, something. At the same time, some link also available. This is our anchor tag. The page 1. Whatever it may be, home page, sign up page, search page, or sign in page, registration page, job applying page, anything, some page. And this is another page, second page. And this is the another page, third page. But generally, when you are opening the